Hello, this is Shamim from Intellectual and I'm start making another tutorial series. This is JavaScript. If you want to start learning web application, JavaScript will be your core language and you must learn JavaScript. So this is very important, start learning web application. So this is the core language of JavaScript. After getting the JavaScript, we start learning React.js, Next.js, TypeScript and Node.js. It is a modern stack and probably it will help you to be a software developer or web developer. So today I'm going to discuss about the JavaScript. So JavaScript is a core language and it's a scripting language, and if you start learning React.js or Node.js or TypeScript, probably JavaScript, the language will help you as a core language. So we're going to discuss something from this language very easily so that you can understand how JavaScript work. So we can take some informations from Google and documentation at the same time, so that it will help you to how you learn the JavaScript, because we are not making so many tutorials on the base of JavaScript. We are just learning documentations. So we go to the documentations and learn something from documentations. And W3 School as well as will help you to understand how JavaScript works and which type of which type of things you should learn or you must learn for start learning web application. So our web applications like React.js, Node.js, TypeScript, which informations we need from JavaScript, probably we learn these things properly. So today we today the journey starts, and we probably the list of informations we are going to give you, and our series or this playlist will help you how you want to be a software web developer and the modern stack you learn properly. So JavaScript, probably 40 to 50 videos I make for this language like JavaScript, and we learn data type, condition, and so many things. So day by day we start learning, and I'm gonna give you so many information at the same time to you, so that you can easily connect with the JavaScript. So stay with me and follow my YouTube channel, our Facebook page and other things, so that you can easily connect with us. And if any queries you have, you just ask me, and you just knock our website or our YouTube channel or page. We are always ready to be with you. So thank you so much for joining with me.